Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best step-through e-bikes and accessories that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an avid cyclist looking for convenience or someone new to e-bikes, this review will help you make the best choice. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Young hitch-mounted 2-bike rack, a versatile and heavy-duty bike rack with a whopping 200-pound capacity. This rack is perfect for e-bike enthusiasts who need a reliable way to transport their step-through, mountain, or fat tire bikes. It features universal tire holders and wheel straps, accommodating tire sizes from 20 to 29 inches and up to 5-inch fat tires. One standout feature is its RV compatibility, making it ideal for road trips and camping adventures. The design is foldable and includes a tilt-back feature for easy access to your vehicle's trunk without detaching the rack. The 2-arm fix system secures bikes firmly, preventing swaying or scratches during transport. Build quality is impressive, with durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance. However, the rack weighs 41.9 pounds, which might make handling a bit cumbersome for some users. While its price isn't specified, the Young hitch-mounted 2-bike rack is an excellent investment for anyone who values safety, convenience, and heavy-duty bike transport capabilities. Ideal for RV travelers and those with larger bikes, this rack offers robust performance, but may be overkill for casual cyclists who don't need the high load capacity. At number 4, we have the Mobi Outdoor e-bike frame adapter, designed for e-bike hitch platform racks. This adapter is incredibly versatile, featuring a telescopic tube that fits a variety of bike frames, including women's, BMX, and non-standard designs. With a load capacity of up to 100 pounds, it's suitable for heavier e-bikes and ensures a secure fit thanks to its quick-release buttons and locking nut mechanism. It even includes molded rubber hooks for scratch protection, making it ideal for long trips. The build quality is top-notch, using 6063 aluminum for durability and corrosion resistance. This adapter is lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring consistent performance under demanding conditions. The anti-rotation mechanism adds stability, preventing unwanted movement during transport. However, its relatively small customer base, reflected in fewer ratings, means it hasn't gained as much popularity as some competitors. While the Mobi Outdoor adapter excels in durability and versatility, it's best suited for users who frequently transport e-bikes and need a high-capacity solution. Casual riders might find its features more than they need. Overall, it's a reliable choice for demanding users who value premium build quality and adaptability. At number 3 is the Retrospec Bike Rack Crossbar Top Tube Adjustable Adapter, the most budget-friendly option in our lineup at just $20.99. This adapter is designed to add a top tube for carrying step-through, suspension, and other non-conventional bike frames. It's compatible with hitch and trunk-mounted bicycle carriers, making it a versatile choice for most transport setups. The adapter is compact and lightweight, with easy installation that requires no tools or assembly. It's crafted from alloy steel, ensuring durability while keeping the weight manageable. However, it has a maximum load capacity of 45 pounds and isn't suitable for e-bikes, which might limit its appeal for some users. For lighter bikes, though, it does the job well and is a great entry-level choice. This Retrospec adapter is perfect for casual cyclists who need a simple, affordable solution for transporting their bikes. While it lacks the heavy-duty capabilities of other options in this list, its price-to-performance ratio makes it a great value for those on a budget. Coming in at number 2 is the Nerac Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike, a powerhouse designed for adventure. With a peak 1100-watt brushless motor and a 624-watt-hour lithium battery, this bike reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and tackles diverse terrains with ease. Its fat tires and front suspension ensure a smooth ride even on gravel roads, trails, or hills. The foldable step-through frame adds incredible convenience, making it ideal for RV trips or compact storage. The bike's design is both ergonomic and durable, featuring aluminum construction and a detachable luggage rack. It supports up to 280 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The M5 large LCD display provides essential riding stats, while safety is enhanced with dual disc brakes, integrated LED lights, and hidden cables for a clean look. However, at 63 pounds, it's relatively heavy and requires some effort to maneuver when folded. The Narak Fat Tire folding electric bike is perfect for adventurers who need a reliable, high-performance e-bike for exploring off-road trails or urban streets. While not the cheapest option, its robust features and versatility make it a solid investment for outdoor enthusiasts. Finally, at number 1, we have the HyperAxe step-thru e-bike adapter, a premium choice for step-thru e-bike owners. Built to handle up to 70 pounds, this adapter is compatible with a variety of bike rack systems, including those for popular brands like Lectric, Rad Power, and Aventon. The co-molded soft rubber hooks protect your bike's handlebars and seat post from scratches and vibrations, ensuring a stress-free transport experience. The design emphasizes convenience, featuring a clamp system that securely attaches to your bike without tools. The heavy-duty 1.5-inch tube construction offers exceptional stability, making it ideal for heavier bikes. Despite its sturdy build, it's lightweight at 9.23 pounds, which makes installation and handling easier. On the downside, its price isn't disclosed, but its features justify a premium positioning. The HyperAxe adapter is perfect for serious e-bike riders who want reliability and protection during transportation. Whether you're traveling for leisure or commuting, this adapter delivers top-notch performance and peace of mind, making it the best choice in this roundup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best step-thru e-bike or accessory for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, ride safe and explore more.